Welcome to Top 5 Choice. The best Barber Airbrush is probably one of the most versatile and innovative tools to hit the grooming market in years, offering a professional-level experience right in your own home. Whether you're looking to achieve a sharp, clean fade, experiment with intricate designs, or simply maintain a polished look between salon visits, this device promises precision and ease of use. Its advanced airbrush technology allows for incredibly fine lines and smooth blending, making complex styling techniques accessible to everyone, from beginners to seasoned enthusiasts. Get ready to elevate your grooming game and discover the effortless way to achieve salon-quality results with this game-changing gadget. Number 5. Master Airbrush G233 Performance Pro Airbrush Kit. Introducing the Master Airbrush G233 Performance Pro. This versatile tool is designed to bring your artistic visions to life with precision and ease. Equipped with 3 nozzle sets, it offers unparalleled control for everything from fine details to broader strokes. Achieve the perfect spray pattern for any project. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this airbrush is your ideal companion. It handles a wide range of applications and media with exceptional performance. Its innovative design features a cutaway handle for quick cleaning and a fluid control knob for precise trigger adjustment. Enjoy seamless operation and maintenance. From intricate art to cake decorating and beyond, this kit is perfect for hobbies, crafts, and professional use. It's the ultimate tool for your creative endeavors. Master Airbrush is a leader in the industry, committed to your satisfaction. This product comes with a 2-year manufacturer warranty for your peace of mind. What we like. This offers incredible versatility with 3 different nozzle sizes for various spray needs. Its gravity-fed dual-action design provides excellent control over paint flow. If you're looking for an all-around airbrush suitable for beginners and advanced users alike, for detailed work or broader coverage, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. It came with all its little kit inside of a carrying case which made it easy for storage. It works like a dream and I loved it. The twist-off tail really helps with adjusting and controlling flow. Number 4. Gocheer Airbrush Kit with Air Compressor, 40 psi. Introducing the Gocheer Airbrush Kit, your ultimate tool for precision and performance. Experience high-pressure spray flow for a 60% performance boost in all your artistic endeavors. Effortlessly achieve the perfect effect with 3-gear adjustable air pressure. Simply touch the button to switch between 25, 30, and 40 psi, giving you complete control over your artwork. Our dual-action design allows for fluid control and regulation of pigment and air. This means no more wasted ink and a smoother painting experience. Whether you're a seasoned artist or just starting out, this airbrush kit is a breeze to master. It's perfect for a wide range of applications, from model coloring to makeup. Enjoy uninterrupted creativity with our non-clogging spray gun. The adjustable tailstock ensures a smoother, more advanced painting experience every time. Craft finer lines and breathe life into your ideas with interchangeable nozzles, 0.2 mm, 0.3 mm, 0.5 mm. Achieve impeccable detail and precision with ease. Everything you need is included. This comprehensive kit comes with an oil-water separator, cleaning kit, tools, and multiple cup sizes to fulfill all your requirements. What we like. Experience a significant performance boost with its high-pressure output and 3-gear adjustable settings for precise control. The non-clogging feature ensures a smooth, uninterrupted workflow. If you need consistent, powerful spraying for detailed model painting, cake decorating, or even makeup, this kit's adjustable pressure makes it incredibly adaptable. What people say. The compressor kicks out a steady 40 psi, which sounds uber technical, but in practice, it means you'll get a nice smooth, even spray without sputters. The 3 nozzle sizes, 0.2, 0.3, 0.5 mm, give me options depending on whether I'm doing fine detail work or covering larger areas. It's easy to clean thanks to the included kit, and it hasn't clogged on me yet. Number 3. Master Airbrush Cleaner 16-ounce Pint Bottle. Introducing the Master Airbrush Cleaner, a large 16-ounce bottle of fast-acting cleaning solution. It's designed to keep your airbrush in top condition, enhancing productivity and extending its lifespan. This high-strength cleaner is incredibly versatile. It effectively removes a wide range of water-based paints, makeup, and even tanning solutions from your airbrush and other artist tools. Need to switch colors quickly or perform a thorough cleaning? This solution is perfect for flushing out paint between uses and for deep cleaning after a painting session. It can even help with clogged airbrushes. Even stubborn, dried-on paint is no match for this premium concentrated solution. It cleans and softens paint from airbrushes, paintbrush bristles, and various artist supplies, making them like new again. Enjoy a safe and pleasant cleaning experience. This cleaner is non-toxic, environmentally friendly, and meets ASTM D4236 standards, making it a responsible choice for your creative workspace. What we like. This is your go-to solution for keeping your airbrushing tools in top condition. It quickly breaks down various water-based paints and inks, extending the life of your equipment. If you value efficient maintenance and want to ensure your airbrush always performs at its best between uses or for stubborn clogs, this cleaner is essential. What people say. It works amazingly well and cleans out leftover acrylics in seconds. I used to have to soak my airbrush for 5 to 10 minutes with other cleaners. This one saves so much time. It works great as a paint softener and brush cleaner. It softens up the paint near the ferrule if you hang the brush in some solution for half an hour or so. This solution really works. I let the paint brushes soak, followed instructions, maybe added a little warm water and dish soap here and there. Minimal effort and the brushes are almost back to life. Number 2. Rechargeable Cordless Airbrush Compressor Kit. Introducing a stylish and portable airbrush kit, perfect for a wide range of applications. Its compact design makes it easy to carry, and it's suitable for both makeup and various art forms. Experience a 50% increase in air pressure compared to similar devices, reaching up to 27 psi with a larger airflow. The precise 0.3 mm nozzle allows for fine detail work with various liquids and properly diluted paints. This dual-action airbrush offers effortless control. Simply press the switch and trigger to spray air and liquid, with automatic stop when released. A convenient indicator light shows the remaining battery power. Equipped with upgraded circuitry and battery, it supports 2A fast charging for quicker power-ups. Enjoy extended working times of 1 to 2 hours on a full charge, significantly longer than other models. Your kit includes everything you need: a liquid dropper, cleaning tools, multiple capacity cups, a USB charging cable, and a user manual. Get ready to create with this all-in-one airbrush set. What we like. Enjoy the freedom of wireless operation with this portable and stylish airbrush. Its dual-action trigger offers intuitive control, and the rechargeable battery provides extended working time. If you prioritize convenience and mobility for on-the-go touch-ups, makeup application, or crafting without being tethered to a power source, this is the perfect companion. What people say. The Barber Airbrush is a game-changer for achieving a flawless, airbrushed finish. Its precision nozzle allows for seamless blending and buildable coverage. The lightweight design and ergonomic grip make it comfortable to use for extended periods. Number 1. Portable Airbrush Kit with Compressor. Experience versatile application with 3 adjustable air pressures, up to 30 psi. This allows for faster, heavier coating over a larger area, making it perfect for various creative projects. Achieve greater control with its unique design. Adjust air pressure by tapping the button and fine-tune paint flow with the trigger for smooth, even distribution and detailed work. The 0.3 mm needle and nozzle combination offers superior control over paint and airflow. This minimizes overspray, enhances detailed work, and conserves your materials. Cleaning is a breeze with the included paint cups and brushes. Its design ensures effective paint flow and easy cleanup, ideal for both beginners and seasoned artists. Enjoy the freedom of cordless operation. With over 60 minutes of continuous use on a single charge, you can create almost anywhere, thanks to its USB charging compatibility. Achieve optimal results by diluting your paints to a milk-like consistency. Test with water first, then mix your paint and diluent until it sprays smoothly for perfect application. What we like. This cordless airbrush offers 3 adjustable pressure settings up to 30 psi for versatile application, combined with a precision 0.3 mm tip for detailed work. Its internal blending ensures smooth, even paint distribution. If you're focused on intricate tasks like nail art, detailed model painting, or precise cake decorating and want enhanced control without a cord, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Using the airbrush is very straightforward. First, you plug in a cable and make sure that it is fully charged. Then you select a container to hold the paint, cocoa butter, etc. that you will be spraying onto a canvas or chocolate mold. It screws on easily. Simply pour the liquid into the container, place the lid on, and then pull the lever back with your finger. There is a setting to spray the liquid in the container and a separate setting to blow only air. There are 3 different speed settings. It has a low, medium, and high power setting, and with the rotating screw in the back you need to adjust the flow rate to what works for you. If there is no flow, you need to open up the screw. Easy. I love that this charges with a USB-C cable. No wires while using. The charge lasted all week. It's absolutely awesome, I'm obsessed. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.